Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Neeraj from Management Designer, your mentor. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wrap text in Adobe Illustrator by using shape building tools, your shapes. So let's begin, okay? So select a rectangular tool, give a background color. I'll go for yellow. Okay, color code is FCCA0B. Now lock this layer. Now type a text, whichever text you like. I'll go for shape. Scale it on the text. Okay, correct. Now whichever shape you like rectangular, a square, you can take any shape you want. I'll go for rectangular tool. I'll make a square. I'll rotate it a little bit, rotate this and set to whichever angle you want. Okay, now select the both the layer, go to object, go to envelope and desktop, make with the top object. Okay, so here it is. You got a cool looking text effect. You can make the text in any shape. So I'll show you one more example by which I'll use another shape. I'll give a foreground color for this, like dark blue. I'll lock this layer. I'll type circle, scale little bit. I'll change the color to white. You can give any color you want, any shapes you want. Now I'll select circle, ellipse tool, make a circle, set it little bit. Okay, done, perfect. Select both the layers and do same settings. Go to object, envelope and desktop, make with object of top. Thus the shape is ready. Now I'll show you how to make this thing in cylindrical shape. Select a color, give a color. I'll give a black. Now lock this. So now I will show you how to make it in a cylindrical form. For that we have to type a text. I'll give a text like round. Okay, I'll change the color to white. Okay, now I'll make a duplicate of this like this. Okay. Now we have to make this in a shape form. So I'll right click and make a create outlines. It will form a shape. Now I'll go to symbols. I'll drag and drop over here. I'll give it a round 2 because I have already given one round. So round, I'll give a name round 2. You can give any name you want. Okay. Now we don't need this shape. So now create a rectangular. Okay, like this, correct. Now give a color to it. You can give any color. It is not mentioned anything. So now go to effects and go to 3D revolve. Now go to map part. Okay, so cancel. I'll go to preview map part. So now go to third position. This is the part where we are going to apply text. Make it invisible. Now go to none. Go to round 2, which I have given it, which is the text I wanted to use it. I want the text to rotate now, and rotate it like this. Okay, now stretch it. Stretch as much. Stretch as you want. Now okay, now adjust. You have to play with the rotations because we have to adjust it as you want to place it. I'll place like -140, -69 and 106. Okay, okay, now there is some problem with the text, so I have to adjust the text. Go to map part again. Now adjust as you can, as much you can. Okay, sorry. Okay, I want to use that like this. Okay. Okay, minus 104, 106. So 106. I'll tweak it a little bit like this. Okay. Okay. This looks good for me. Okay. It's a little bit tilt. Okay. So yeah, this you can give it any shape you want. Yeah, that is. And I forgot to mention one thing. The shapes which you have created in this shape and circle, you can change the text by double clicking on it. Now you can change the text as anything you want. I'll give square. The text will change automatically. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is a wrap for today's tutorial. If you have any doubts, do comment down below, and yes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for new updates. Thank you, guys.